Hi, welcome to this Cloud APIM Serverless demo. First, we are going to create a project backed by a project template on GitHub. With this project, we are going to create an endpoint that is backed by a JavaScript function. So we are going to create a route. This route is on /hello. We had an operation ID, and we are going to create a JavaScript function. So we are going to call the module hello. And this module will just return an HTML value, an HTML message with a hello world kind of message. Okay, now back on the OpenAPI file, we are going to configure the JS module plugin. So we add it to the plugin group. And the module path is already the right one, so we add the plugin just like that, and remove the API keys plugin. And we are ready to go. We push to GitHub. And we are going to deploy the project. So now we are going on the project setting page, copy the gateway URL and add /hello, and voila,